In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your pending approvals in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to filter your files so you can see everything that needs your attention in one place. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Drive. You can also go directly to drive.google.com if that's faster for you. Once you're on the Drive homepage, sign in if you're prompted. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the correct work or school account, since approvals are often tied to your organization. If you use two-step verification, complete that as usual. It's a good idea to bookmark Drive so you can return to it quickly. Now, if you want to find a specific file or a complete list of items waiting on approvals, head to the top of Drive and click in the search box. You'll see recent items and suggestions, but we're going to open the advanced options so we can filter precisely. On the right side of the search field, click the search options icon. Depending on your layout, this looks like sliders or a small down arrow. This opens the advanced search panel, which lets you narrow results by type, owner, and more. In that panel, look for the section labeled Approvals and e-signatures. It may be a bit lower in the panel, so scroll if you don't see it right away. If the section isn't visible, your organization may not have approvals or e-signatures enabled for your account. In that case, check with your administrator or make sure you're signed into the right Google Workspace account. Within Approvals and e-signatures, select the options called Awaiting on Approval and Requested by Me. Choosing Awaiting on Approval shows items that need your decision, so you can quickly see what's blocking progress. Selecting Requested by Me shows the files where you asked others for approval or signatures, which is perfect for following up or checking status. You can select either one or both, depending on what you need. After you've made your selections, click Search. Drive will show a filtered list containing only the items that match those approval criteria. From here, you can open any file to review its details, check who's involved, and take your next step, such as following up or preparing to approve when you're ready. When you're done, clear the filters to return to your normal Drive view. For quick access next time, consider bookmarking the results page after you apply your preferred filters. That's it. Now you know how to view your pending approvals in Google Drive and keep your workflow moving smoothly.